Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am SM Sultan Mahmoud Jillu. Welcome and homage congratulations to everyone from Sanad by State. Today I will present how to record a credit purchase return in QuickBooks Online in this video. In day-to-day business, we sometimes return goods that are purchased with credit due to issues like defect or wrong items. It is essential to record this return accurately in QuickBooks Online to ensure proper cash flow tracking and inventory updates. In this session, I will walk you through the simple steps to record a credit purchase return using QuickBooks Online. So your financial report stay clean and up to date. Let's get started. Now we will show how to record credit purchases and purchase return in QuickBooks Online with example part 1 and part 2 so that you can manage vendors' transactions correctly and keep your accounts up to date. In the first step, it is not already recorded. We will record the original purchase. And if it is already recorded, we will escape it. Now we assume it is not recorded, so we will record it. Let's get started. We go to the plus new button on the top left side and now click on it. We choose supplier credit under supplier section and click here not bill and expenses. Now fill in the bill header supplier as per invoice Modern Furniture Limited, copy and paste here. Add new Modern Furniture Limited, save and close. Mailing address as per invoice, copy, paste here. Terms as per invoice, 30 days. We select net 30, bill date as per invoice 10th August. We select 10th August. Due date, it is coming automatically. Bill nom as per invoice, copy and paste here. We have two options for voucher posting: category details and item details. Category details, this option will be applicable if we do not need to calculate inventory. Item details, this option will be applicable if we do need to calculate inventory. We assume that we do not calculate inventory, so we are using category details. Now we are mapping the account here to say we are displaying asset. First item as per invoice, office desk, copy and paste here and select it. Description: office desk 3 units at the rate of $120, copy paste. Office desk 3 units at the rate of $120, amount 360. Tax select out of scope of tax due to lack of taxes. The column is gone. Second item, as per invoice, officer copy and paste here and select it. Description, as per invoice, officer 5 units at the rate of $80. Copy, paste. Officer 5 units at the rate of $80. Amount $400. Third item, book shelf. Copy and paste here and select it. Description, as per invoice, office shelf 2 units at the rate of $150. Copy, paste at the rate of $50. $300. Now write invoice note. Purchase office furniture on credit, including 3 office desks. Total amount $360. 5 office chair, $400, and 2 bookshelf, $300. Invoice number, as per invoice, copy and paste here. Now add invoice, add attachment, select on invoice, click here, already uploaded. Now save and new. Now we see the voucher with the magnifying glass. Click on it. Voucher, select and click here. Let's look journal entry. We go to the more option, select and click, and transaction journal, select and click. Accounts payable $160. Property and plant, the office desk $360. Office chair $400. Bookshelf $30. Okay, right. The voucher match according to the invoice. We will now show you in this example how to record a credit purchase return in QuickBooks Online. We go to the plus new button on the top left side and now click on it. We choose supplier credit under supplier section and click here. Now fill in the supplier credit header according to debit note. Supplier as per debit note, Modern Furniture Limited. Copy and paste here and select it. Mailing address, copy from debit note, paste here. Return date 14 August. We select 14 August. Reference as per debit note, copy and paste here. We return first item as per debit note, office share, copy and paste here and select it. Description as per debit note, one office share refund, amount $80 as per debit note, tax select out of scope of tax due to lack of tax, the column is gone. Second item as per debit note, book shelf, copy and paste here and select it. Description as per debit note, on bookshelf, return. Copy, paste, amount on $150. Now write note, refund one office share $80 and on bookshelf $150. Total return value $230. Copy and paste here. From original invoice reference number, copy paste and debit note, add attachment here, select and click. This is debit note, select and click. Already uploaded. Now save and close. Now we are checking the accounts payable. We go to the report, accounts payable, again samadhi. Now, modern furniture $160 purchase at 10 August and refund $2,230 return. So, okay, the mess, this voucher according to the debit note. Thank you very much for watching. Now you've learned how to record a credit purchase return in QuickBooks Online with comfort. This simple process ensures your accounts stay accurate, your vendor's balance remain correct, and your financial reports are always up to date. Dear viewers, if you found this helpful, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more QuickBooks tutorials. Allah Hafiz.